Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's time for my 6th update, I believe, for my whole collection project. I am doing this in collaboration with a lot of other YouTubers and Instagram nail polish accounts, so everyone will be listed in the description box. Everyone's updates are going up at different times because it's just sort of a general idea, and then everyone has kind of put their own little twist on how they want to do it. This project was created by Amanda at the Nail Polish Hound. Her channel will of course be linked down below, and the idea is it's not a project pan because we're not trying to finish any polishes, but we're just trying to use the polishes that we own because we're all very good at buying polish and not actually using it. This project is to help with that. I've really been enjoying this. I don't know if anyone else has plans to carry on next year, but I certainly will. This is my 6th update. I will post a finale video at the end of the year and, you know, have more thoughts about it then probably. But right now we're going to do an update, swap out some polishes for new ones, and that's what we're gonna do. Let's get to the update. I wore all of the polishes except for one, and I thought I had worn all of them and I didn't, so it's fine. And I already chose the polishes just because that's so much faster. I chose 12 polishes instead of 10, and I don't really know why I did that either. So technically I will have 13 polishes to wear next month, which is fine. I wear a lot of these as Skittle manicures. It's fine. Let me talk about the polishes that I used. First, I used these 3 polishes in combination with each other. This is the Daveen Lacquer Awesome Sauce. This is a multi-chrome topper. You can wear this on its own. It looks very ethereal and light and multi-chrome, but it also looks great as a topper. I wore that over Color Club Take a Chill Pill. It's really pretty, like sky blue cream. It looked lovely over that polish. And then I also wore, I didn't wear a topper with that, but I wore this in the same manicure at Color Club Supernatural. This is their like minty green holographic. The Color Club holographic polishes are, I don't want to say they're underrated, because I think people who know about them love them, but they are great. They are really great. I really enjoyed that combination. I have the front door open, the front screen door open, because it is like 72 degrees today, and it is November, and so everyone is out riding motorcycles and having a grand time. So I'm sorry if you can hear all of that road noise. But my house is about to be closed up for months because it will be cold. I need all of the fresh air that I can possibly manage. The next 2 polishes were also worn in combination. We have Graceful Nail Polish Ace. This is from my Gilmore Girls collection. This is a blue jelly with purple to green, maybe. There's some sort of ultra chrome chameleon flakies in here. I never know how to describe flakies. It's fine. I do like this polish. I can see, I don't know, I kind of feel like it's beautiful in the bottle, but when I wore it I just thought, I don't know. I'll probably pass this one on just because I don't think about it. This isn't like my favorite Gilmore Girls polish from Graceful Nail Polish. So I'll probably pass this polish on. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just something I can do without, you know? With that I wore China Glaze Dorothy Who. This I loved. This is the blue version of the iconic ruby slippers from the, I don't even know what year this collection came out. They had like a Wizard of Oz themed collection, and I don't know what year it came out, a long time ago. This is absolutely perfect, so I'm definitely keeping this. And I mean, this is it's just absolutely perfect. Another combination of polishes, the 90 Lacquer August 2016, the Peridot holographic polish. I love this. I love my 90s. I'm never getting rid of my 90s. I love them. And then I wore China Glaze Grinchworthy with that. This is from the Grinch Who Stole Christmas collection. A green with gold, like micro shimmer. I don't know, you're looking at a picture, it's doing a much better job. I love that one, and I'm keeping that as well. Last polishes that I wore is the manicure that I have on my nails right now, actually. And so this is Zoya's Harlow. This is one of their matte velvets, a beautiful fuchsia matte velvet. I gotta find a way to switch out the brushes on these because I love the Z-Wide brush so much. I love it so much. The old Zoya brush isn't terrible, but once you use the Z-Wide brush, I'm like, I can't go back. I can't go back, so it's fine. I also wore Joni with that, this baby pink cream. This is not a color that I ever gravitate towards. So to be honest, I don't know why I kept it. And I wouldn't have worn it if it hadn't been chosen in this prompt. That being said, I do really like it with this purple. I think that this is a pretty combination. But what I really love is the topper that I'm wearing over all of the polishes, and that is Great Lakes Lacquer Spring Forward. This is a purple, green, yellow, orange, I don't know. No, I don't know. This looks great over the matte, and it looks really nice over the pink. Keeping all of it. The only polish that I didn't wear was this polish from Scofflaw. This is Linoleum pattern number 1978. And I honestly had thought I had worn all of the polishes that I'd chosen. That's the only reason I didn't wear this. I probably... yeah, I don't think this would have looked that great with these purples and pinks, but I will wear it. I just kind of forgot that it was on the other side of the rack, so it didn't get scooched down enough. So I will wear this. Let me swap these out and I'll show you the new polishes that we're going to wear. Well, I'm going to wear in, you know, the next time. As I mentioned, for some reason I chose 12 polishes, and then I also have this Scofflaw to wear, so I'm not really sure what I was thinking there. I am going to show these in the order that they were chosen. I used the Pretty Random app to randomly generate numbers from my spreadsheet. You know how it works. So first we have Great Lakes Lacquer, the West Bluff. This is one of her Hella Handmade Creations in the Avatar series. And this is a beautiful, oh my gosh, this is a beautiful green with a strong blue-violet, like, multi-chrome. And then there's also a yellowish multi-chrome happening here. I'm not really sure how to describe it so that you can understand how beautiful it is, but it's beautiful. Is there a Great Lakes Lacquer polish that I don't love? And next we have Rogue Lacquer Snowball, and I feel like I chose this already. I guess I could have looked at my notes. Is there a buffalo in here, or is it Bussy? Oh, it's a Bussy there! I feel like I wore this already earlier this year, so if I did, it's okay. I chose 12, and I mean, maybe I'll wear it again, but for some reason I feel like I already wore this, and I didn't take the time to consult my notes. It's a beautiful polish though. It's a smoky blue with like fire colored flakies in it. One from China Glaze. This is called Autumn I Need That. And this is a very interesting color. It's round. There is a lot of multi-chrome shifting shimmer in here. Multi-chrome shifting shimmer. I haven't worn this in so long, and I haven't swatched any of these yet, so I don't really remember what this color looks like on my nails. But I think it's a really nice seasonally appropriate color, so I'm excited to wear it. The next polish chosen was 90 Lacquer Decay. This is one of those very murky, grungy, decaying looking polishes. It needs to be shaken up. These greens, any brand that has these like olive green shades, they get the worst ugly bottle syndrome. But it needs to be shaken up. The next polish that was chosen was Baker Street from Nines Inc. Nines Inc. Nails Inc. One of my favorite nail polishes of all time. And I was very pleased that this was chosen. I kind of laughed because I saw when I was scrolling to the numbers, I was like, oh, it's going to be a Nails Inc. And then it was Baker Street. I thought, what are the odds? Because I don't really know what the odds are there. Next I have one from Anchor and Heart, which I always call Anchor Heart Lacquer, but it's Anchor and Heart. And this is Goodnight Miller. This was a polish pickup polish. I'm not sure what month. I think they did a duos month. I think. Get in your bed, sir. Get it all fluffy. This is inspired by New Girl. Jessica Day and Nick Miller. I don't have the Goodnight Day version of this, and I'm really sad about that because I love Nick and Jess. Anyway, this is a dusty blue with red and orange and like champagne colored hex metallic glitters. I haven't worn this in forever. I don't even remember. I don't even know if I've ever worn that polish other than swatching it, to be very honest. Next we have one from Painted Polish. This is Blinded by Bubbly, an old school painted polish label. Can you see that? Older bottles. It's an old painted polish. This is a champagne colored holographic micro glitter. Haven't worn it in years. Next we have one from Heather's Hues. This is called I'm Gonna Lose My Freaking Mind. And it's from July 2020, Helly Handmade Creations. Helly Handmade Creations. Sir. No, you just had dinner and you just went potty. Get in your bed. No, and you don't want to sit on my lap. No. You're very grumbly. Do you want to sit on my lap? You don't. Your little chompers stick out. They're so cute. This is from her Hella Handmade Creations Office inspired series. I don't know how much she had that series. I didn't realize that she was doing the Office series until it was well into it, I believe. So I'm missing quite a few from it. This is a really bright lime green, almost like iridescent flakies. That looks really fun. Not seasonally appropriate. Krista. I just love picking on her because she hates wearing not seasonally appropriate nail polish and I live for it. Okay, next we have one from ILNP. This is Bermuda Breeze. I feel like I also wore this one earlier. I don't know. I guess I should have marked that in my spreadsheet, but I didn't. Or consulted my notes, but you know. This one does have quite a sticky cap. Most of my ILNPs don't have a very sticky cap, but this one kind of does. This is called Bermuda Breeze, like a tropical ocean water holographic. I have another from 90 Lacquer, which is hilarious because it's 90 Spooky Lights. The same formula as Twinkle Lights, if you're familiar with that, which is a silver holographic base, and then there are glitters that are according to the season. So this one has orange, purple, and green glitters. I don't think this is like the most Halloween thing ever though. I think it's pretty Halloween. I'm gonna wear it. Next is a polish from England. This is called Crown of Thistles. This beautiful warm purple. What would I call this color? I don't really know. Magenta? Fuchsia? I don't really know. And then lastly we have a polish from Lynn B Designs. This is called Autumn in the Kiwana. And this is an orange crelly with green and gold and maybe orange, maybe pink glitters in assorted shapes and sizes. That is the update. I hope you are enjoying this project. I am really enjoying this project. I say that every month, but I'm really enjoying this project. So I hope everyone wants to continue with it next year because doing it in collaboration with other people helps keep me on track a little bit better. I don't know what that says about me, but probably nothing good. So be sure to check out all the channels listed in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you in my next video.